Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Oh, nice.
Lovely.
What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all doing? Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. In our kitchen today, we'll be preparing sweet and sour chicken. Oh yes, guys, it's pretty simple, pretty tasty, pretty sweet, tangy. So if you want something with that mixture, sweet and sour is the best pick for you. So that's what we'll be doing today, so stay tuned. For ingredients, you need salt and black pepper. I have some paprika, I have baking powder, I have some cooking oil, I have some milk. Here we have our cornstarch, some garlic, sugar, soy sauce, some vinegar, ketchup, we have an egg, we have some flour, and we have our pineapple juice, our chicken that was being marinated from yesterday. We have some onions, carrots, we have our bell peppers, and we have our pineapple. So here we go. To prepare your chicken breast, you're going to cut in strips and cubes like it says, right? Ensure that your chicken breast is washed properly, and I did so by washing in vinegar. It's now time to season your chicken, and I'm going to use all-purpose seasoning, probably like 2 tablespoons. I have some garlic powder. I have some onion powder. I have some black pepper. And because we're frying it, I usually add Scotch bonnet pepper to my fried chicken. People, it will, trust me, enhance the flavor in the chicken. And what you want to do now is to just combine all these ingredients. So after you have prepared your chicken, the next thing is to prepare your batter for frying, and I'm going to add my flour to a bowl. I'm going to add baking powder. I'm going to add some cornstarch, some salt and black pepper, paprika, you know, adding to the color and flavor. So this I'm going to add my egg white, and to combine my ingredients I'm going to use my milk. So you're going to just use your whisk. Now for your dry batter, you're going to add some flour to another bowl, and you're going to add your salt and black pepper, and you're just going to just whisk that, combine. I'm going to ahead and add my chicken pieces to my wet batter. And what you want to do is to just transfer those pieces to your dry flour mixture, right? Now for our sauce, you're going to add some tomato ketchup, some vinegar, some soy sauce, and some sugar. And you're just going to combine this. Now it's time to prepare your chicken. Now what you're going to do is to pour some cooking oil in a frying pan. You're going to deep fry your chicken breast for about 4 to 5 minutes. To prepare your sauce, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil to your pan. You're going to allow that to get hot, and then you're going to saute your vegetables. So I'm now going to add our garlic. Smells good. Then we're going to add our onions and our carrots. Now we're going to add our bell peppers and our pineapple. Now to this mixture, you're going to add your pineapple juice, probably half cup. And you're just going to allow this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, thereabouts. Add our tomato sauce that we made to this mixture, and this is what is going to give us the color for our chicken. Now that your sauce is ready, it's time to add your fried chicken pieces, and you're just going to combine your chicken pieces with your sauce. There you go, guys, sweet and sour chicken made right here in Moya Moy's kitchen. Do enjoy. Now that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in until the end. Big up your nice clean self. Now guys, if you have not done so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment below. Now guys, I'm on the road to 2,000k and I want to achieve this by the end of September, so make it happen. Just help a friend. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell another friend, so that friend can tell another friend. Until then, goodbye.